video, I would like to introduce you about the 5 building defects.
Going up the slope of Faculty of Engineering, there's a defect found beside the road. This defect, we call it concrete cracking. It is a common foundation problem that occurs when the foundation settles or sinks. Through this video, we can spot that the concrete foundation is settled. There is a serious cracking appear on the concrete foundation. There must be some reason to cause concrete cracking. One is shrinkage of soil. When the ground dry, it will cause the soil shrink. It will be a lack of support for foundation wall, eventually lead to concrete crack. Through the observation, we also can notice that there's a big tree near the concrete foundation. The roots of tree penetrate into the foundation and finally cause cracking. Within the area of Faculty of Engineering, a defect that I found is cautamite. Cautamite is a deposit derived from concrete, lime, mortar, outside the cave environment. Cautamite grows on or under man-made structure and limit the shape. As we see, there's a pipe which directs water. When the water flows out from the pipe, it also flows through the edge of the wall. It creates the cautamite on concrete when the water supply is laden with lead minerals like calcium and magnesium. Rising dam occur when the water from the grounds rise up through the bricks and mortar of a building by capillary action. In simple terms, the water rises up the porous wall of a building. In the same way, the water is soaked up by a sponge in a sink. This place is the ground floor of one of the buildings in Faculty of Engineering. As we can see, there are a lot of water stains on the wall. Moreover, the piping is installed along the lowest part of the wall. We also can see that the mold grows out at the edge of the wall. A drain with running water is installed under the floor as well. The higher level of moisture underground will lead to the rising dam. In this video, we can find that there is rusting of iron. Rusting usually takes the form of an orange powder on the surface of the materials. If the materials rust, rusting is a specific kind of corrosion which applies to iron-containing metals. There's a pipe which directs out the water installed under the iron case. Water and oxygen are the main elements to cause rusting. If the iron case is exposed to water and oxygen for periods, it will rust. The presence of mold indicates the moisture appear. It will cause the iron case rust. The last building defect that I found is pan peeling. This particular area is shaded and having poor ventilation. The improper ventilation will increase the moisture level and cause the growth of mold. Loss of adhesion of the pan film caused by high level of moisture that penetrate the film and eventually push the film away from substrate. As conclusion, building defect will bring much more negative effect to occupants of building. If we didn't take any action to prevent or repair the building defect, it will cause damage to person or property, usually resulting in financial and health problems to the owner.